Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, the man of the house Mpumelelo decides to put Umusa in his place and reprimand Umusa in front of the wives, in front of the children, in front of Pamgwabantu. And I was just like, people were just like, hey, bo, Simba is roaring with flavor. Hanitiana uchi pubesi and all of that, you guys. Some people were so excited about this. They were like, yes, for the first time we are agreeing with Mpumelelo because Umusa lentayenzayo. It was unnecessary. Now, guys, this was on the end of tonight's episode 4. It was a trailer or a snippet for next week's episode. So we see, it looks like they're having breakfast, and Unokuzana Umusa then says, Usne, he's speaking to Mangwabe. He says, Usne pela. She said, Uguti Arafun was a liar tripping with family trip. Ngoba wena nomakhumalo ni problem empilweni yakhe. And then Mpumelelo like, yabona baba lento yenzayo asikho isidingo sayo, like don't do that, like don't go there, like just stop. And then I'm just like, wait a minute. Is Mpumelelo not a child there? Why all of a sudden is he reprimanding his father in front of the other children? And there's children who are younger than him. So tomorrow when those children are doing the same thing to Umusa, then it's going to look like the children are being disrespectful. I did not appreciate that, you guys. Now, I have to say, I partially agree to an extent that Umusa, the setting was wrong. I feel like he should not have addressed that matter like that, whereas everyone was there. He could have called a meeting with Umangwabe, Umakhumalo, and Usne and addressed the issue, because that issue needs to get addressed because it's getting out of hand. Usne is busy saying on the trip Utabanta Kulumisi and ini. And I'm like, how do you expect to about Kulumisi when you said all of those things by the podcast? And number 2, did you not say what you coming to this trip and you don't want to speak to everyone to anyone? Now that no one is speaking to you and they're leaving you alone, all of a sudden you're saying people are not talking to you. So Umusa should have called a meeting. He needs to address that, but he shouldn't have done that in front of everyone. But listen, I don't see a day where I'm going to agree with the way Mpumelelo does things, because I just feel like that was not his place. It was not his place to be reprimanding his father in front of everyone. He should have just kept quiet because he's a child. If anyone could have reprimanded or said anything, let it be the wives, not Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo is not the man of the house. He's not the oldest there, and I just wish Umayeni could tell Mpumelelo, please, just keep quiet, because I'm just like, Umusa was right. Mpumelelo does want to act like the father of the house and still want to act like a child at the same time. I did not appreciate that, you guys. But anyway, let's wait till next week, till the full episode plays out, and then maybe we can have, a complete sort of comment on the situation. But still, I still feel like it was not Mpumelelo's place to be doing that, and Umusa should not have addressed that issue in front of everyone else. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.